That's really interesting. Oh, I'm in the wrong place. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. And we're live. We are live, everyone. Today is, I don't know what day, and we are live. Coming to you from the heart of different places in the world. And we are pairing on website 1, which is this really cool
We're live. I'm just gonna share my screen.
Woohoo!
So first things first, make the test neater. PWD get
La 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 la.
na, 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 na.
La 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 la. Oh, I did find that. Oh, all right. All right. So I know what's going on here. I know what's going on here. I know what's going on. So should we do like I guess for yeah, good times. Good times, buddy. Good times.
Times, good times.
Good times, good times, good times. Oh yeah, good times. 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 Times, good times, good times, good times. Good times, good times, good times, good times, good times. Good times, good times.
Yes.
So I guess the sensible thing to do would be to create a maintenance page for, wouldn't it? I don't know.
Maintenance page. Are we doing NHS Wiki now?
I mean, no, we're doing well, kind of. It's loosely related, but the maintenance page that I'm talking about would be for local support, you know.
Oh, okay.
You know, I mean, I kind of need to keep my comments to myself, or I'm going to distract you, and then you're going to get too curious about what I'm talking about, and you're like, "Ooh, I want to see. I want to see."
It's good to be curious.
Go, Mike. Work on your website 1 stuff, Mike.
You're not gonna Federico me now.
Yeah, I'm not gonna Federico you, get you distracted and sidetracked. And so what we want to do is we want to create a maintenance.html, and then what can we do? I think what we can do is I need to go get my coffee.
Get your coffee. Get your coffee. Get your coffee. So what I'm gonna do right now is.
What are you gonna do right now, buddy?
I'm gonna run this test.
Do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Do it. On the test.
Run the test. Run the test.
I had a suggestion for you. About that I was gonna say to you is that let me try to get to where is it that we're talking about. No, this is a different thing. There's actually something I think you could pair with someone on that you would be able to help them a lot based on your recent recent experience, but I think she prefers not to do.
Not to pair with me?
Well, I don't think it has anything to do with you. I think just.
I think it has everything to do with me.
I mean, it's definitely possible. That's definitely possible. Where is your PR updating scrums? There we go. I think I said something in this in the issue.
Baby, what's up?
Did you go have a look at before you start doing too many things? Go have a look at the issue that you originally, like the issue number 2272.
Okay, I think this will get me to it. I need to. This?
Hey, sorry, I was going to grab my coffee. Yeah. Did you see there what I commented? You asked about any details of the proposed solution, and I put that. So what you could do is you could try like going in the starting your changing, adding that to the code, and then starting the development server and going there and like creating an event with no project, and then go to edit that event and see what happens.
Okay.
Do you know anything about this include blank true?
Yeah, I just got it here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So you know how to use it. Yeah, you have an example of how to use it. So cool. I'm gonna carry on doing the stuff I'm doing in the background, and I was just suggesting that because I think that testing is a good. Testing is a good. It's nice to test drive something, but sometimes you can like give yourself a sanity check whether or not because before you write the test, you kind of need to have an idea of like, okay, what am I actually expecting?
Yep.
And so if you go there and you look at like the thing and you say, okay, cool. So now when I edit it, this is what happens. Then I know that this is what I'm expecting to happen.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, it's one way. I was thinking it would be, maybe an easier way of trying to get an idea of where to start, But you don't agree with me, that's fine,
I think I do agree. So
this is what I see as a solution, but it could be that it doesn't work, And if it doesn't work, then we're not at square one, but we're kind of like, ooh, now what do we do?
Mm-hmm.
I day.
This guy failing.
Fail. So I guess what you got was that it was unimplemented, right? So
yeah. So I just did check out that file again. So I hope it will. Yep. Now, first thing first is to fix this guy.
Oh, you mean you're going to update it by
yeah, not to be nil.
Yeah, to be nil.
Yeah, to be nil.
I day, 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 I day. I'm gonna put on some music in the background. Let me know if it's
Cool.
trying you. It's better than me singing, I think. So I'll put on what I was singing actually. I don't know how loud I can listen to it, but
It's sort of loud, but not so loud.
right? I couldn't hear you. I think it's too loud, no?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll turn it up. That's better, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Maramo mi corazón. What do they do? What do they mean on different steps?
Woo!
Yeah.
This navbar collapse. I'm just gonna remove. Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher?
Ai, o seu pranto me acordou, me colocou, sua luta me ensinou. Ai, o seu mundo transformou, e de repente o teu canto conquistou a liberdade.
A liberdade, a liberdade é.
A liberdade. Vem pertinho de mim, vem comigo cantar, olha e vai passar. Vem pertinho de mim, vem comigo cantar, olha e vai passar. Quem é essa mulher?
Quem é essa mulher?
Quem é essa mulher?
Quem é essa mulher?
Mas quem é essa mulher?
Quem é essa mulher?
Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Ai, o quilombo abraçou, não demorou, o amor se revelou. Ai, raça negra exaltou, e com fervor o seu sonho reclamou. A liberdade, a liberdade, a liberdade, a liberdade. Vem pertinho de mim, vem comigo cantar, alegre vai passar. Vem pertinho de mim, vem comigo cantar, alegre vai passar. Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Mas quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Ai, pelas ruas desfilou, e a cidade em guerra se calou. Ai, sentimento aflorou, e a vitória de um povo declarou. A liberdade, a liberdade, a liberdade, a liberdade. Vem pertinho de mim, vem comigo cantar, olha e vai passar. Vem pertinho de mim, vem comigo cantar, olha e vai passar. Quem é essa mulher?
Quem é essa mulher?
Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Somos Aide, todas Aide, filhas Aide, cores Aide. Somos Aide, todas Aide, filhas Aide, cores Aide. Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher?
Quem é essa mulher?
Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Quem é essa mulher? Somos Aide, todas Aide, filhas Aide, cores Aide. Somos Aide, todas Aide, filhas Aide, cores Aide. Somos cores Aide. Vem, 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 vem com Aide. Vem, 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 vem com Aide. Oi, vem, 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 vem com Aide. Vem, 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 vem com Aide.
Did you? What are you up to?
Yes, so I did add this way.
Deixa passar, deixa ficar,
Yeah.
deixa passar, ai,
Aham.
deixa pra ficar.
I'm just
And did you go to the server?
the server.
Yeah.
No, on my local.
Yeah, it's a good idea to go to the server, you know?
O seu pranto me acordou e com louvor sua luta me ensinou. Ai, Dê, o seu mundo transformou e de repente o teu canto conquistou a liberdade, a liberdade, a liberdade, a liberdade. Vem pertinho de mim, vem comigo cantar, olha, e vai passar.
Because the idea is that maybe you go see what it like, go create a project instead of running the tests, which are gonna have like results that are
No, it doesn't select.
what doesn't work.
The it has the blank.
It doesn't work, you said?
No, like the project drop down
Yeah.
does not come with something. No?
Yeah, well, I mean, that could be because like you don't have a CS169 project. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So what you would need to do to test to see if it works in production, I think, is you need to add a project CS169, you know?
Yep.
And that CS169 should be part of the seed file, you know? So I would add it there, you know, instead of adding a project. Well, you can't add a project there. You'd have to go to projects new.
So now it doesn't default to wrong one.
Yeah. So that's kind of what you want.
Yeah.
So maybe you can just write it in the test then, but like, so that's what we were hoping would happen is that but we still would need to check that it doesn't fail the other tests, you know? So like now you hopefully the test will be passing, but like, what's happening with the test now?
Yeah. And you know, I remember some was saying, yeah, I think it should be blank.
So why are you getting tested? So it's giving blank, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. But that's kind of showing that we. I mean, I'm not sure how to test for that. That should be blank. Can you say not should be blank, but expect the. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I think blank would be better than empty. You could try it with empty. Do you understand the difference between blank and empty?
Yeah.
But I guess like in this case, I guess you probably are like empty might be okay actually, because you don't care if it's nil. It's like not going to be nil because you're. But this is kind of doing like what you're kind of doing is like a view test though, isn't it?
What do you mean a view test?
Like you're checking what the person's going to see, right?
Yeah.
Because you're expect to find the like that dot value.
No, value is not what it's gonna see. Value is
What's the value? Yeah, it's the value of that.
Yeah, value is like this guy here. This.
Yeah. So I guess the value wouldn't be empty though, would it? Oh yeah, I guess it would be, wouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if you can check value. I don't know if you can check. I mean, try it. See what happens.
I can check if. I don't know what you're saying. I think you mean I should run this.
A liberdade é nossa agora. Bate tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar o amor. Bate tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar o amor. Bate tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar o amor. Bate tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar o amor. Oh, nega, oh, esse turbante na cabeça, oh, esse teu corte de rainha, oh, a nos dançar como a história foi injusta e cruel. Negra, oh, reaviva nossa memória, oh, é que na minha altiva, oh, soberana desde a ingrata escravidão.
Yep, passing.
Negra,
So there's this other guy that I need to implement.
Yeah, and you need to think about like making it declarative, right, instead of imperative.
Yeah.
a liberdade é nossa agora. Bate o tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar amor. Bate o tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar amor. Bate o tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar amor. Bate o tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar amor. Bate o tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar amor. Bate o tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar amor. Bate o tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar amor. Bate o tambor no coração, pra semear e cultivar amor.
I think I have this in the other, but I can just do it here as well.
Teu cabelo negro se soma ao meu. Índia, oi, Índia, aqui nos braços teus. Índia, oi, Índia, teu cabelo negro se soma ao meu. Índia, oi, Índia, me acolhe nos braços teus. Da terra tomada como eu, dos filhos tirados como os meus, dos sonhos roubados lá vou eu. Índia, oi, Índia, me cobre com tuas armas sagradas. Índia, oi, Índia, me ilumina na mata fechada. Batendo o tambor e cantando a alma.
Much.
Yo.
The cases where
Comigo, vem sem
what was I going to say? Yeah, this event is formed by some friendly thing. You remember that thing with friendly?
Yeah, but I don't think they're using that there, because when you're using the friendly, then it's like event.friendly dot something, right? That I think there you
Yeah.
can do the same thing you were trying to do
Remember-
before, because now you're trying to check to make sure that the project ID is nil, right?
Yeah.
So you're like expect event project ID to be nil, right?
Da terra tomada como eu, dos tirados como teus, roubados como eu. sonhados, dos sonhos roubados, lá vou eu. A valente guerreira, a memória da história, teu legado, meu orgulho e o teu fruto. Cafuza sou eu, 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 Cafuza sou eu. Que dança e canta, mulher que esconde todo esse mundo.
Yep.
Nice. Awesome. Good job.
Let's get the other reds.
Yeah, so yeah, now see if you can run. I mean, you can push it up and then you can kind of see if it's failing. If it's failing the build, why is it failing, But it's up to you, I think that's what Sam typically does. He just pushes it up and goes and does something else. And then if it's failing something, then
I think I'm just running the tests in the events directory.
Yeah, just to make those are. Yep, that makes sense. Totally, bro. Totally.
Cucumber. It's funny, man, because maybe the change that you need to make is just 10 words or 10 letters, and then you have to write all those tests.
Yeah, it's true.
I think the benefit is that in the future, you'll be confident that it still works.
Yeah, that's the thing, That's the huge benefit. You can make changes and so concerned.
There's this guy from Golden State normally says nothing easy. You know the guy?
No.
Nothing easy. Nothing easy.
I don't know that guy. Don't think that I remember. What is going on here?
Give me just a moment.
Come on. What's going on with this?
O que foi feito não desfaz a condição de povo eleito, a escravidão. No meu direito sou perfeita, sou a cor, mas no meu peito ainda bate a dor.
Maybe I'm wasting my time with this. Why is that? Why is this? Div container. Do we have container? Container.
Nasci numa ilha de beleza sem igual. Eu sou colorida, ai no seu carnaval. Eu nasci numa ilha de beleza sem igual. Eu sou colorida, ai no seu carnaval. É cor colorido, é cor de emoção, é cor de alegria, colorido,
Matthew,
Yo,
what you up to, bro?
not much. Just chilling.
I think I should have just pushed.
Yeah, I mean that's what I was maybe suggesting, because the thing is like, yeah, you know, then you can work on something else. I think if you the funny thing is, I think if you could probably, the other PR you put in, like, I'm not sure, you know, we might need to talk about whether we actually want to do that, but I think that other PR that you put in might work now, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, did you get a bunch of? Oh no, I thought it was a bunch of failures. I can share my screen, but I don't know how much time I want to spend on this. You know, I think maybe what I want to do.
In a playlist.
Yeah, this is their CD. There's a group called Corrigi Day. They're a group of all women that play various different instruments and stuff, you know.
I think you may have to paste that name.
Yeah, it's not an easy one to understand. But just saying the name, is it? So I guess I'm gonna get rid of this. I think maybe I could get rid of this whole thing here.
Baby,
estou aqui. No compasso do seu passo, no desmanche, no colar das suas cores. Em nossa se entrega e canta.
Baby, come. Just a minute.
Yep.
Baby.
Toma saudade com viver. Vem me dar ideia. Vem dançar e ver. Samba, balança, se entrega, encanta. Toma saudade com viver. Vem me dar ideia. Vem dançar e ver. Samba, balança, se entrega, encanta. Toma saudade com viver. Com todo o acesso, essa mulher que vem pra buscar o que é de direito, onde deseja estar. Na batida do samba, reggae emana em qualquer lugar. Com a força guerreira,
March, you didn't paste that name.
a ideia.
Yes.
You're coding too much.
Chorus G.I. Day.
What does it mean?
Chorus G.I. Day.
The aid?
Chorus G.I. Day is like colors of something. What's I Day, be? Huh? Ah, it's the name of a woman.
Uh-huh.
Ah, annoying, 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 annoying.
Na batida do samba, reggae emana em qualquer lugar. Com a força guerreira, nossas E o lugar da mulher é olha, a vida é passageira.
I don't think I can actually. I don't think I can do this. That's annoying. Annoying, annoying. Trying to do like a simple thing here, you know, and it's not so simple, it turns out. And I don't think I really want to be spending time doing this, you know. Do you know what I mean, Mike? Do you know what I mean?
What do you mean?
So then this looks like this.
Follow me.
Me acolhe nos braços teus, da terra tomada como eu, dos tirados como eu, sonhos roubados lá vou eu. Inda, oh Inda, me cobre com tuas armas sagradas. Inda, oh Inda, me ilumina na mata fechada. Batendo tambor e cantando a conga. Sofrendo terror, se banhando com calma. Vem comigo, vem sem pressa. Índia negra, negra, índia presa. Na paz dos povos somos um por todos, todos por um. Índia, oh Índia, teu cabelo negro. Índia, oh Índia, me acolhe nos braços teus, da terra tomada como eu, dos filhos tirados como os meus, dos sonhos roubados lá vou eu, da terra tomada como eu,
A terra tomada como eu.
dos sonhos roubados lá vou eu.
Fez logo, fez logo, fez logo. Adicos, fez logo.
Meu legado, meu orgulho e o teu
Interesting. Yes.
It's passing.
I don't. I haven't looked at it. That is something interesting to work on.
Oh yeah, this here needs to be app /assets
Progress.
/images. Already did this. Already did this. I already did this. I just want to, I just want this to work, because then I can move on to what I'm really supposed to be doing. I don't know what I want to be doing.
Meu caminho, a solidão, eu alcancei. Os meus irmãos separados, os meus irmãos separados, por todo o campo espalhados, os meus irmãos separados, os meus irmãos separados, por todo o campo espalhados.
Vamos jantar.
O que foi feito não desfaz.
Venha, Nibas. Venha. Vai tirar pela colher, Vieta.
Mas no meu peito ainda faltou. Ei, gira mundo,
Come on, just a simple thing, man. Navbar wrapper. Navbar wrapper. I don't think we're even using the Navbar wrapper. I think we're just using this here. Where is this here? This. Copy this. Put this here. So annoying. I had this kind of working a minute ago. It looked a little bit better than it does now. Then I did something. I think this needs to be like this. This needs to be like this. What's this here? Ah! Why am I working on this? Oh, so I need a Navbar wrapper. This here equals Navbar wrapper. Then this goes down here. And then this, go to this. Copy. How was this working earlier? That doesn't look good, does it? No, it doesn't look good.
rainha. Ao nos mostrar como a história foi injusta e cruel. Negra, traia viva nossa memória. É que caminha tão altiva. Soberana rainha pra escravidão.
So anything to do with it. So I need to.
A liberdade é nossa glória. Bate o tambor no coração pra semear e cultivar amor. Bate o tambor no coração.
Must have been this.
Matt,
Yo.
I was looking at this.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
But, such tasks, can people write tests for them?
For what?
Such a task.
I still didn't understand. For what kind of test?
Like this task that
We mouse over autoplay on our videos? I don't think so, no, because that seems like it's a view test, I think.
this is the second time you're using view test.
Yeah, we don't test views,
Ah, okay.
you know?
Yeah.
Like going there and like, oh, verify that this logo is this size. We don't do tests like that, you know? That you test manually by going to the thing and seeing that it works, you know?
Samba, balança, se entrega, encanta, na samba, reggae, compreender. Vem linda ideia, vem nossa ideia. Samba, balança, se entrega, encanta, na samba, reggae, compreender. Siga o swing dos seus passos, os tambores envolvam em seus braços. Deitar-me em seus ritmos, sou sua ideia, samba, reggae até o fim. Sigo no swing dos seus passos, os tambores envolvam em seus braços. Deleitar-me em seus ritmos, sou sua ideia, samba, reggae até o fim. Vem, minha ideia, vem nossa ideia. Samba, balança, se entrega, encanta, entona, samba, reggae com dendê. Vem linda ideia, vem nossa ideia. Samba, balança, se entrega, encanta, entona, samba, reggae com dendê. Grita aos quatro ventos, a ideia, estou aqui. No compasso do seu passo, me desmancho, me colapso, suas cores são meu convite. Grita aos quatro ventos, a ideia, estou aqui. No compasso do seu passo, me desmancho, me colapso, suas cores são meu convite. Vem linda ideia, vem nossa ideia. Samba, balança, se entrega, encanta, entona, samba, reggae com dendê. Vem linda ideia, vem nossa ideia. Samba, balança, se entrega, encanta, entona, samba, reggae com dendê. Vem linda ideia, vem nossa ideia. Samba, balança, se entrega, encanta, entona, samba, reggae com dendê.
Oh, very mistake.
Vem nossa ideia. Samba, balança, se entrega, encanta, entona, samba, reggae com dendê.
I think I might have found the culprit. Mike.
I don't know what you are finding, but you found it here.
I think I might have found the culprit, Mike. Also, this here. Ah, right. I found the culprit, Mike. There we go. All right, that's okay. No, what do you think?
Let me see.
It'd be nice with this other stuff, but I think with this, and then it'll be the links. You left, Mike.
Yeah, my screen sort of hung. You're showing me something, right?
I was. And then you decided you didn't want to talk to me. Just kidding. Just kidding, Mike. I think, is it here? Where is? No, more than that. Let's copy that for a second. I was showing you this here. This is the site, right? This is what it looks like. And then this is the maintenance site. So it has like the logo, but then underneath it, I wanted to put this stuff here, but then there's like, it's a little bit challenging because they have
what do you have?
they have ERB like logic, you know. So you can't just like, I need to adapt to everything. I can't use ERB in HTML, you know. So I need to like, this is okay. This okay. I need to make this bigger. This is okay. And like, I don't know. I don't want to be spending too much time on this. You know, this is not what I want to be working on. You know. So then I'm spending all this time working on this. Try to get it to look as close as possible, and the idea is that hopefully nobody even notices that the things are not, I don't know. So then here I have this goes there, and this goes there.
You can't just format it.
I can't format it. I don't think I can format it because I have syntax errors, and I also have ERB here, and I'm in an HTML file. So you see how this is not the normal color that it is, because this is
yeah.
I need to adapt this to be HTML instead of being. And then once I guess once I get rid of all that stuff, then I can format it. But so this here, get rid of, and do a tag here. This is going to link to organizations. I mean, this doesn't need to link to anything really, because this is not going to actually link to anything. So organizations. That, and then get rid of this. I mean, I guess since we're not working on anything to do with website one, I mean, I'm not sure if there's anything else we need to work on with website one. Did the test get done running?
Okay, I'm just checking that. Let me see. Yep, they pass. Yes.
Woo!
Yes. Yes. Yeah,
Nice.
It's been a long time coming, huh?
Yeah, I know that was something you're really waiting for. So congratulations, man. Congratulations, my friend.
Yes.
So now I might be able to auto format it. Let's see. Auto formatting. I think because I have this that I don't need, and I don't have this. I should have these.
So
Auto format? No. Too many of these. No. What's going on? What's going on? This is supposed to be here. This is supposed to be here. This. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That one is that one. This one. 5, 6. I shut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I need 2 more. Oh, nice. So if I go like that, oh, nice. If I go like, oh. Okay. I wonder if we should create another session for this and stop recording this.
okay.
I don't know. I mean, it's just I don't know.
Esses todos que fazem muito sucesso, eles são escolas de percussão, de crianças, formadoras de crianças, de gente bacana. Assim, eu lembro uma vez a gente conversou assim, lá atrás, assim, a música baiana começou a cantar a Bahia e resgatar. E você é um cara que procura trazer isso assim da própria Bahia, trazer nas suas letras, nos seus arranjos, a raiz da Bahia, né? Eu gosto do sotaque, velho. Eu gosto do sotaque. E outra, a Bahia, a fonte não vai sacar nunca. Sabe, há 2 semanas atrás escrevi um texto de novo sobre a Bahia, quer dizer, penso que é o mesmo acarajé, é o mesmo cheiro do acarajé, é o mesmo alfazema, é o mesmo tudo, mas parece que a fonte se renova também, entendeu? Quando a gente vê as novas influências, as coisas chegando, a Bahia, cara, engraçado, se fala muito de axé mesmo, que se reduz muito em axé, mas o movimento musical da Bahia é maravilhoso. Toda esquina, é maluco isso, com pilés, sabe, em Unel de Bar, com 2 orquestras juvenis, cara, é um trabalho de formação incrível, a Tocha, Baiana System, sabe, muita gente bacana, muita gente gostosa.
What is going on with this? Entrevista. Cansei de fazer isso. I don't know why I'm even doing this. Brand. Navbar collapse. Nav pills. Button rack. button, go, button rack, that, put that here. I mean, actually, it'd be really nice if I could just link to the, can I not just link to the, can I not just link to the, how is it that we did here? Link, href, and then put the href, okay. Href would be like this, app, assets, style sheets, application, yeah.
So Matt,
Yes.
which file does the JavaScript go?
Which file does the JavaScript go?
Yep. Could you tell
What
me?
JavaScript are you talking about?
Like, I just want to. I thought this was something I could just finish right now.
I guess the JavaScript would.
Events.js.
I mean, it depends on what. Yeah, if it's in the events page, yeah.
So within document.ready, baby.
Doesn't sound very happy. Come on. Oh, so annoying. What's going on with this thing?
kiboko. Nauma mimi.
Kwenda.
Hata unyanyangu huruma.
Take it out, Jane.
Let me nipe peace of mind.
This don't work.
Hey, mama. Hey, 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 hey.
Facebook page logo. Your CSS is coming through, man.
Yeah, it's not really, but I'm tired of trying to perfect this right now. Something that really could use Peter with. Kind of a mess as well, like, so I don't know if, I mean, it'd be nice to, like, you know what I should do, actually? I don't know why I'm doing all this. I just had an idea. Why can't I just take a screenshot of this area here and then just add that screenshot? Oh, brilliant. Arrow, CN, logo, screenshot. That's stupid. Why didn't I do that before? Then come here. Geez, all that work for nothing. So annoying. Arrow, CN. What did I call it? What did I call it? Inspect. How big is this? There we go. What I want. And that would work. 150 pixels. Looks better, no?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why it has that blue mark on it. Okay, so let me screenshot. Arrow, CN, logo, screenshot, replace. Then I need to move that again. Then I'll come here, refresh the page. Oh yeah, I need to give it a height of 150. Height 150 pixels. And come here. First page. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! So then what I can do as well is I can,
but your home, like those other stuff, they're part of the picture, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They are. They're dead linked, you know, but that's okay. I want them to be linked. So I want them to be dead links. That was so much easier. So there's this My Fonts thing, which I can come to, and I can My Fonts. My Fonts, no, it's not that. It's yeah, it's My Fonts, no? I think I copied the wrong thing. What the font? Yeah, it's this here. So then you upload a picture. Then you can come here and say arrow. Herosian logo screenshot. Yep, can be. And then Helvetica. How do I get this? One font, $35. Wow. They don't have any free ones. All right. Well, whatever. That's good enough.
Yep.
So yeah, do you want to do it like I said? Do you want to stop this video since we're not working on website one, and we can create another one to work on this, or because I don't know if you want to keep going, but I'm gonna.
I think I'm gonna take a little break, then maybe join later.
Okay, cool. So I'll see you soon.
Okay.